Good morning, my little friends. It is Thursday morning, and I hope you guys are up and moving around. You can make it over to Google Classroom and start working. Everything's up for you. So the answer to our joke today, Brooklyn, you got the very closest. I'd say you were pretty much right. So good job. The joke was, what time is it when a lion walks into the room? And the answer was it was time to leave. For sure, I wouldn't want to stay in there with the lion. So Brooklyn, you got pretty close. The joke for today that you can work on guessing is, where do cows go on the weekend? So be thinking about it, and you can make your guesses on Google Classroom like you've been doing, some of you. So I challenge everyone to take a guess and type it in there for me. And I love reading your guesses. Have a great day, and I'll see you in Google Classroom. Love you guys. Miss you.